Welcome back to our series of Minecraft things in Maine and popular character names pronunciation videos. Let's take a look at how to pronounce this word. End crystal is a fictional object from the game Minecraft. It is found on the end pillars and is used to heal the Ender Dragon. End crystals can also be crafted and placed by players, creating powerful explosions when destroyed. Pronunciation, French. In France, the term end crystal is pronounced ênd Kris-tal, with a clear end and a smooth Cristal, ênd Kris-tal, giving it a sharp yet flowing sound. American. In America, people say ênd Kris-tul, with emphasis on the first word. Ênd Kris-tul, making it sound firm and direct. British. In the UK, it's pronounced ênd Kris-tul, similar to the American version but with a slightly softer tool. Ênd Kris-tul, giving it a smooth and balanced tone. Summary: French, ênd Cristal; American, ênd Kris-tul; British, ênd Kris-tul. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more pronunciation videos.